Hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to import a airfoil geometry into ANSYS Fluent. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to airfoiltools.com and airfoil search. I'm going to be using the NACA 4412, so I'm just going to put that into the text search right there, and then you get this airfoil, and just go ahead and send that to your plotter. For the purpose of the video, I'll be using a chord length of 16 millimeters, and I want it centered around the origin, so I'll put it at 50% right there. And when you plot that, you'll see centered around the origin, and then the chord length of 16 millimeters. And then go ahead and download a CSV of those coordinates. It's going to be an Excel file. And then now we need to put it into coordinates that ANSYS understands. So go ahead and put a 1 down right there, and then a 1, 2 right there, and then go ahead and extend that all the way down. You should get 35 points, and then you're going to want to copy these XY coordinates right here, and then put zeros all the way down on this side. This 0 represents the Z coordinate. So X, Y, Z. And this is just the number of points. So when you got all that, go ahead and copy all of this and open. So just go ahead and paste that in there and save. I'll save this as NACA Airfoil. And I'm just going to save it in my desktop. So when you got all that worked out, go ahead and open your workbench. I'm going to drag a Fluent simulation into here, and I'm going to open my design modeler. All right, when your design modeler is open, go ahead and get the Z plane looking at you, and we're going to be working in the XY plane right here. So click on your points, and then your coordinate file is just wherever you saved right there, NACA airfoil. Open that up right there and generate that. That's going to give you a series of points, but we don't need points, we need a surface body. So you're going to want to go to create lines from points, and we're going to be clicking all of these right here. If you hold control down, you can just hold and drag instead of having to click. So hold and drag. All right, once you get all those points connected, it's going to look something like this. You're going to want to generate that, and it's going to pop up as a line body right there. But we're not finished yet because we actually need a surface body. So you're going to go surfaces from edges, and to select all the edges, I just go to box select, and you're going to want to box select this whole structure. Go ahead and apply that and generate that, and now you have a surface. But to be able to run a airflow around that surface, you're going to need another sketch. In this sketch right here, we're just going to go ahead and draw a rectangle. Where'd my mouse go? Here it is. My mouse disappeared a little bit. It's all right. And constrain that to be symmetric over each axis. And then just go ahead and add some dimensions. So we'll call this, we'll say 30, and we'll call that 30. Let's make a big square. Or 50. Yeah, there you go. Once you got that, just go back to your model, generate, or not generate, sorry. You're going to want to do surface from sketch. And your sketch is sketch 1. Go ahead and apply that and generate that. So that generates an entire structure around your airfoil. But if you're going to be running a fluid through it, you're going to want this airfoil shape to be cut out of your other surface. And to do that, you're going to want to go to create Boolean. And we're not uniting, we're actually subtracting. So the target body is going to be this outer surface. So your target body is the outer surface, and the tool body is what you want to be cutting out. And that's that surface body right there. So you are subtracting those two from each other, and then you're going to want to preserve that body, generate that structure, and there you go. Now you have a cutout and an outer body, and you're ready to go into your meshing software.